Are you ready to pack your bags and relocate to Canada? Because today we are exploring on Canadian University, revealing on how you can study for free. Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, we're gonna delve deeper into an interesting, free and easy way on how you can potentially be a student in Canada. Besties, thank you so much for the love, for subscribing, liking and sharing these videos with your friends. I am JK. On this channel, we make international opportunities simpler for you. That is why we bring to you universities that have been tried and tested. And if you're already a subscriber here, listen to this great news. Have faith, your time is now. Let's get started.
Now let's go straight to the university. This is McGill University, located in Canada. It has a MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program. When you apply to this program, you get full scholarship with an application fee waiver. The MasterCard Foundation Program has over 120 graduates to date. 20 countries are representing, and the programs come from 12 faculties and schools of study. Now, for you to apply to this prestigious program, here is a step-by-step application process. First things first, you should get to know the deadline of this program, which is December 1st. So please take note that the application period for the fall intake 2024 is now open until December 1st. And now these are the criteria for you to apply. First is to determine your eligibility. Prospective applicants must first consult with the departmental requirements as well as the standard graduate admission requirements, which are on this site. This will verify that you are eligible to apply, and you can also ensure to confirm that your degree meets with the equivalency requirements on this site. So let's see the graduate requirements. The minimum admission requirements are below. You need a bachelor's degree that is equivalent to that one recognized by McGill University. So unless otherwise specified, the master's program at McGill will require you to have completed a 4-year undergraduate degree. Okay, and if you want to be admitted to a PhD program, it will require you to have a master's degree that is related in the area of your interest. Okay, then also the minimum GPA of 3 out of 4. Then you will also have to be proficient in English. However, this is waived. Then we will see how this can be waived for you. Much as they state that proof of English proficiency is required by attempting the TOEFL exams, IELTS, or having a McGill certificate of proficiency in English. This can be waived, and this is how you can waive it. Normally, if you meet any of these following conditions, you're not required to submit proof of English proficiency. Mother tongue, if your language first learned and still uses English. You have obtained an undergraduate degree or graduate degree from a recognized institution in Canada or USA, or you have obtained an undergraduate degree or graduate degree from a recognized foreign institution where English is the language of instruction, and you have lived or attended university or been employed for at least 4 consecutive years in a country where English is acknowledged as the primary language. So most of the international students, you have number 3 and number 4. So with 3 and 4, your English proficiency tests can be waived. Having determined our eligibility, now let's move on to the application forms. Now, as a prospective applicant, you need to begin a McGill University graduate application form, but you do not need to pay. You don't need to pay after finishing. You just leave it before paying. Then you can now continue with the MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program application form in order for your application to be pre-screened for academic and scholarship eligibility. Okay, so only complete applications that meet the minimum eligibility requirements will be considered. Remember, the deadline for this program, to apply for this program, is December 1st, 2023. Then after which, you will go under pre-screening. Under this phase, the applications will be reviewed and you will be notified within a reasonable time frame. The next step is submission. If you're successful during the pre-screening phase, then you will be granted a fee waiver to be able to submit your application. Then the last step is department decision. So there are 3 criteria. If the applicant is admitted to the program, their scholarship application will then move on to the MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program Selection Committee for review. But if the applicant is refused admission, like you're not admitted, you're no longer eligible for the scholarship. And there is this case where the applicant will be admitted but without a scholarship. Then you will apply for other sources of funding at McGill University. But I would like us to understand how we can apply for the MasterCard Foundation program. There are some few specific questions that I would like to take you through. Great. Now we'll start with the application fee waiver. In order to complete your McGill University application, you will be granted a fee waiver if you're found eligible for the scholarship and you meet the minimum requirements of your intended program of study. They will use the information within the form and your most recent transcript that you have sent to them on this email, that they will determine whether you qualify for the application fee waiver. Then you will choose I agree to be pre-screened for a fee waiver, and then you will select next. There are over 7 pages for you to fill in, but I'll take you through. So this is the second page. This requires you to fill in your personal information, your first name, middle name, last name, your email, date of birth, country of citizenship, country of birth, and all these other simple information. Now, page 3 requires our immediate attention on academic overview. There are over 11 academic programs that they offer. There is animal science in sustainable agriculture. There is bioresource engineering for 3 sections. You can either take integrated food and processing, integrated water resource management, or environmental engineering. They also offer biostatistics, biotechnology, food science, and agricultural chemistry in food science or food safety, human nutrition, public health, and public policy. So there are over 11 or 12 programs they offer. So for instance, you can choose public health or food science. Okay, then the next question is, have you previously attended or completed graduate studies at an university? Of course, you choose yes. Then you can list all other MasterCard Foundation program partners that you have. As for me, I would put McGill University, or if you are applying to another institution, you can tap on that link to see if your institution is part. Now let's go to page 4, where I want your attention here. So page 4 shows that you need to type in your personal statement, and it will be with a minimum of 250 and 350 words. Now the first question, 21, is describe why you have chosen your intended program of study at McGill University and how you foresee this program to impact your short and long-term personal and career goals. So with this question, you want to highlight and state the passion for the program, what sparked you into this program. Then second, you want to briefly elaborate more about your academic background while highlighting the specific courses that shows your readiness for this next program. Okay, then 3 can be your career goals. You can explain like maybe if it is food science, you want to become a food technologist, you want to become a food scientist in future. Okay, then you can also state the program fit, how fit you are for the program. You want to mention particular aspects of the program that make it perfect fit for your aspiration. Research interests, mentioning how your study align well with these interests, leading to meaningful research. And finally, you can also state how you're going to contribute to the society after finishing this program. The second question goes, the MasterCard Foundation program aims to help educate the youth of today to be leaders of tomorrow. How do you intend to use the knowledge and the skills gained during your scholarship to positively impact the African continent? Now here, I would put my entrepreneurship skills, like I'll create up startups, maybe businesses that could address people's needs. And I would also put policy advocacy. I would be engaging myself in policies that could promote African growth. Then also, I would put community outreach by volunteering in the community. And I would also put research innovations by making and innovating, using my research for innovation. Yes, something like that. Third question is, given the eligibility criteria and the ethos of the scholars program, why do you believe that you would be a good candidate? What are some of the skills and attributes that you will bring to the scholars community or on campus? So here I would demonstrate my academic excellence by, I could show how I have highly achieved in my academics, how I have maintained my strong GPA, So the second, I could maybe demonstrate a multicultural diversity perspective that I have, like you're more inclusive, accepting other cultures. Then also leadership skills, you could demonstrate a good, maybe if you have a good record track record of leadership. Then you can also demonstrate your leadership roles that you had on your previous institution. And also you should explain your passion for learning. And finally, you can also state how you're a good problem solver and a critical thinker. Yeah, those can make you can add on your other skills that you have to stand out from all other candidates. Fourth question on personal statement: which transformative leadership skills and competences do you hope to develop if selected for the scholarship? Here I would put maybe I have problem solving skills, I'm effective in communication, I can empower other students, I'm good at collaborations, I have a global perspective, and inclusivity, of course. So these are some of the ideas you could use. Then the fifth is you can summarize your current and past leadership experience, community involvement or volunteer engagement. This I believe you can do. And the sixth question is, when have you experienced failure, either at work or school, and what did you do to overcome or address this? So this is a very critical question. But how I could go about this is I could first tell them how I'll do a self-reflection, getting to know how this problem happened and how I can go about it initially. Then I could go on to seek help or solution from some other people. Then I could as well now create a strategic plan and make continuous improvements, not to do the same mistake again, okay? And then also setting goals and priorities, because for sure if you don't have goals or any priority in this life, then you cannot move on to achieve or to do anything. Yeah, so this could be some of the answers that I would give for personal statement questions, but you can still add on yours depending on your program of study, on your experiences. Please add on yours so you can stand out from all other applicants, okay? After finishing the personal statement questions, you will have finished the greatest part of this application form. Next, on number 5, will be attaching your most recent CV or a resume and your academic transcript. And last could be your references, filling in the names of your academic referees or your recommenders, their full names, and also their email addresses. So this should be okay. If you need any help or you need any guidance in this, please first follow the instructions. You can also use this video slowly to fill in all these questions. And as well, if you really have burning questions, you have important questions to ask, you can reach out to me on WejiConnect on Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok. I will be happy and glad to walk you through this application. However, you can always reach out to the program coordinators so they can take you through everything that you need. Besties, remember the deadline is on December 1st, 2023. Let's use this time before December 1st to apply. First, you need to apply to the graduate school at McGill, and then before submitting, you come and apply to the MasterCard Foundation Program application. I have shown you how you can go about some of the questions, and really, I wish you all the best. In all these applications. And remember, have faith. Your time is now. It's your time to go to Canada. So you're welcome to subscribe to this channel, share and recommend all these important videos to as many friends as possible so they can also benefit from all these videos. Remember to like this video, tap the notification bell so you'll be updated on all new uploads. In this journey to success, we keep moving. I love you all. Bye.